It's late again, I hear the silence grow, like empty rooms that only echo you. Your shadow lingers where the light won't go, and every thought just pulls me back to blue. I close my eyes, but you're still standing there, like nothing ever shattered in our place. But every memory cuts through the air and leaves a fracture I cannot erase. And I swear I heard it clearly in my chest, like glass against the floor inside my head. The sound of breaking echoes in the dark. Every time I whisper your name in my heart, like 1,000 pieces hitting the ground, but nobody else can hear that sound. The sound of breaking louder every day. When I remember how you walked away, you left me bleeding without a word spoken. Now all I hear is my heart still broken. You left me where the storm was at its worst. No shelter in the cold you left behind. I gave you everything, you were my first to hold the pieces of my fragile mind. But now your absence screams inside my veins. A quiet kind of torture I can't fight. It plays again and again inside my brain, a symphony of breaking every night. And it hits me like a crack I can't defend, like something snaps that I can't ever mend. The sound of breaking echoes in the dark. Every time I whisper your name in my heart, like 1,000 pieces hitting the ground, but nobody else can hear that sound. The sound of breaking louder every day. When I remember how you walked away, you left me bleeding without a word spoken. Now all I hear, 'cause my heart's still broken. If silence had a voice, it'd cry like me. If pain could sing, it'd play your melody. And every beat that tries to keep me alive just reminds me how you said goodbye. Sound of breaking, I can't escape. It lives inside every breath that I take, like falling apart in slow motion, drowning deeper in every emotion. The sound of breaking won't let me go. It's the only thing I've come to know. A shattered rhythm I can't outrun. Ever since the night you left me undone, the sound of breaking is that fills my chest. Every thought of you won't let me rest. You left me lost, completely unspoken. All I hear is my first still